Algorand value equivalent to $0.2027 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.1938, $0.2032. The earlier day close: $0.1955. The change was plus 0.0072, plus 3.68%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.13. Exorbitant cost 0.22, while low cost 0.13. The normal for the month 17 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 19 cents, change for December 46.2%. Algorand figure for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.19. Excessive cost 0.28, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 19 cents, change for January 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.19. Exorbitant cost 0.24, while low cost 0.19. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 22 cents, change for February 15.8%. Algorand estimate for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.22. Excessive cost 0.25, while low cost 0.21. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for spring 4.5%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.23. Excessive cost 0.27, while low cost 0.23. The normal for the month 25 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 25 cents, change for April 8.7%. Algorand gauge for May 2024. To start with cost at $0.25. Exorbitant cost 0.28, while low cost 0.24. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents, change for May 4.0%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $0.26. Exorbitant cost 0.29, while low cost 0.25. The normal for the month 27 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 27 cents, change for June 3.8%. Algorand estimate for July 2024. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 29 cents, change for August 3.6%. Algorand gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at $0.29. Exorbitant cost 0.32, while low cost 0.28. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 30 cents, change for September 3.4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $0.30. Exorbitant cost 0.33, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 31 cents, change for October 3.3%. Algorand figure for November 2024. Before all else cost at $0.31. Excessive cost 0.33, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 31 cents, change for November 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.31. Exorbitant cost 0.39, while low cost 0.31. The normal for the month 34 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 36 cents, change for December 16.1%. Algorand conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at $0.36. Exorbitant cost 0.40, while low cost 0.34. The normal for the month 37 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 37 cents, change for January 2.8%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at $0.37. Excessive cost 0.41, while low cost 0.35. The normal for the month 38 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 38 cents, exorbitant cost 0.42, while low cost 0.36. The normal for the month 39 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 39 cents, change for spring 2.6%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.39. Exorbitant cost 0.48, while low cost 0.39. The normal for the month 43 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 45 cents, change for April 15.4%. Algorand conjecture for May 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.45. Exorbitant cost 0.45, while low cost 0.36. The normal for the month 41 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 39 cents, change for May 13.3%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset cost at $0.39. Excessive cost 0.45, while low cost 0.39. The normal for the month 41 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 42 cents, change for June 7.7%. Algorand gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at $0.42. Exorbitant cost 0.42, while low cost 0.33. The normal for the month 38 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 35 cents, change for July 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.35. Exorbitant cost 0.35, while low cost 0.27. The normal for the month 32 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 29 cents, change for August 17.1%. Algorand conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at $0.29. Excessive cost 0.29, while low cost 0.22. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 24 cents, change for September 17.2%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at $0.24. Exorbitant cost 0.27, while low cost 0.23. The normal for the month 25 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 25 cents, change for October 4.2%. Algorand estimate for November 2025. To start with cost at $0.25. Exorbitant cost 0.25, while low cost 0.21. The normal for the month 24 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for November 8.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $0.23. Excessive cost 0.23, while low cost 0.18. The normal for the month 21